In this video, I'll show you how to clear up storage on Windows 11. This video is only for educational purposes only. So what you need to do, open up your file explorer. So this is it. So if I click on this PC now, you can be able to see there is 157 gig storage. Okay, there's 238 gig storage here on my PC, and I think there's an available 157 gig. So if you love to clear up storage, what you need to do, you need to delete some files, some videos. So I'm going to open this option now. These are my videos. So I'm going to select all this now. This is the first option. If you love to delete all this, what is it? Just click on this. You can be able to see delete. Once you click on delete, you can be able to delete 6.1 gig. So you can do this for the rest of the options or for the rest of the files here on your PC. Or if you would not love to delete this, just send all of them to your external hard drive. You can be able to clear up storage here on your Windows. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.